Well, hello and welcome in again, my ClickBank peeps. A very merry holiday season to you. It is December, which means the end of 2024 is nigh, but fear not, because 2025 is just around the corner. And that means a brand new top offers video goodness is on the way. And I can't wait. For now, I'm stoked to bring you what is surely the best gift that you'll get during the holidays this year. No socks, no underwear, but the 5 best performing non-Nutra offers on ClickBank. Right, because that's what everybody really wants and not a new Corvette. Okay, anyway, well, please enjoy these top 5 best performing non-Nutra offers for December 2024. At number 5, we have Moon Reading with the nickname Thought Op. In spot number 5, we have the always popular interactive astrology offer, Moon Reading. This turns a traditional VSL with stock footage on its head and is working well even on the almighty cold traffic. If you are a Moon Reading affiliate, you'll have access to quality email swipes and images. You can earn up to $84 per sale with the total cart value of 75% commission across the board, including upsells sold. Overall, this product is fantastic to promote for social audiences, especially TikTok and Instagram, but also works well on email and other paid. You can get whitelisted for those 75% commissions on their tools page. Be sure to visit the marketplace to get started. All right, now let's get into the numbers. With an EPC of 17 cents and an average affiliate payout of $26.95, and a hop conversion rate of 0.62%. Guys, I personally know the offer owners on this offer, and I gotta say, this is a manifestation spirituality offer that you do not wanna miss. Our number 4 non-Nutra offer is Rocket Languages. This product was in the top 5 earlier this year, and it's back, and dare we say shooting up like a rocket. So Rocket Languages is actually a classic product on ClickBank's marketplace, and it has been a stalwart and a long time product, and it features several popular online language learning courses you can promote, including a Spanish, French, Italian, and a German course. This offer was close to new affiliates for a while, but even after opening it back up to a wider affiliate base, we're still seeing an average payout of more than $90 and a conversion rate of nearly 3%. That is insane. If you're familiar with the world of online marketing, you know how strong those numbers truly are. Another perk of Rocket Languages is how well it converts on organic traffic. If you've got the audience and the marketing chops for it, go ahead and apply now to get whitelisted and promote Rocket Languages. Numbers, the all important numbers. With an EPC of $2.59, an affiliate payout on average of $90.67, and a hop conversion rate of a staggering 2.86%. Guys, Rocket Language is one of those offers that will consistently deliver for you. Go check it out. Now guys, if you are a new affiliate or even an intermediate affiliate that really wants to step their game up to the next level and make that next breakthrough, go ahead and look down below in the description for our one-on-one coaching link. We're gonna hook you up one-on-one with proven successful super affiliates that have agreed to mentor the next generation of affiliate marketers. Again, that's one-on-one coaching. Click the link in our description below to check that out. Once again, in spot number 3, we have Billionaire Brainwave. This spirituality product is about tapping into a brainwave called the theta wave that can lead to financial abundance, just like billionaires of the world enjoy. Affiliates love this offer because it has such a wide audience. I mean, really, when you think about it, who wouldn't want to discover the brainwave that leads to making a lot of money fast? As a digital offer, Billionaire Brainwave boasts a fantastic average payout of $50. It converts well on paid traffic, and it features 6 high converting email swipes. If you want a winning manifestation offer to promote, try Billionaire Brainwave today. With an EPC of 37 cents, an average affiliate payout of $49.32, and a hop conversion rate of 0.74%, Billionaire Brainwave continues to prove why it is a big-time player in the non-Nutra space. After hitting number 1 last month, the Lost Generator remains a very respectable offer, coming in at 2nd place this December. So you might be asking, what is the Lost Generator? It's a set of DIY electrical engineering blueprints inspired by Thomas Edison, you know, that famous guy who made the light bulb. Customers get detailed instructions on how to generate their own electricity for use, such as a backup power, just in case there's an emergency or you're going off the grid. The Loss Generator is just the latest sequel from a top seller on ClickBank with a track record of winning and successful survival offers. I'm talking the Lost Ways, the Lost Book of Remedies, and the Lost Superfoods. A lot of lost things that are being found right now. You want to find this offer. And this new offer converts like crazy with a strong refund rate and a payout of nearly $45 for a digital product. Affiliates earn an impressive 80% on their front end sales and even higher if you can drive high volume for this client. You also get access to lots of great affiliate resources from them, including email swipes, banners, product images, and PPC ads. Find out more on their marketplace listing. Now, numbers. An EPC of 40 cents, an average affiliate payout of $44.82, and a conversion rate of 0.89% really shows why a lot of people are finding this lost offer. This month, Ted's Woodworking is back to #1 status in our best of the best non-Nutra offers videos. You know it, you love it. If you've been around ClickBank, Ted's Woodworking is a legend. It is an OG lower ticket digital offer that features more than 16,000 woodworking plans. Even 12 years after its launch, it's still dominating sales in 2024. If you're interested in capitalizing on the continued success of Ted's Woodworking, you'll see the best results on email, Facebook ads, and native. Guys, that's 3 opportunities. Pick one and start promoting today. Right now, Ted's Woodworking is seeing an EPC of 29 cents, an average affiliate payout of $67.26, and a hop conversion rate of 0.44%. Ted is back, guys. And because it's the holidays, you know we had to hook you up with one final bonus gift. So let me share this month's bonus offer. Once again, I want to share an offer that is promising and brand new to the affiliate marketplace. It's called Aqua Tower, and it's not as established or well proven as the other top offers in the list, but let me tell you something, it's looking really strong. Here's what you need to know about it. It's a digital survival product that teaches customers how to make their own drinkable water on demand. As an affiliate of Aqua Tower, you'll earn 75% commission per sale. Average affiliate payouts are looking like $50, and it's seeing a strong EPC and conversion rate so far. You can find out more about this brand new opportunity on their marketplace listing and grab a handy swipe file through their affiliate tools page link. See if this is a good fit for your audience. It might just surprise you. With an EPC of $3.13, yeah, you read that right, $3.13, an average affiliate payout of $50.52, and a hop conversion rate of 6.2%, this truly could be the gift that keeps on giving this holiday season. Go check out Aqua Tower immediately. Well, you guys, that's a wrap on our best of the rest offers for December. Get it? A wrap, gifts, holiday season, like wrapped presents. I can't believe they make me say these things on camera, guys. Anyway, maybe I just need a New Year's vacation. But on the bright side, you were just gifted several high converting products to promote during this year's holiday season and for Q1 of 2025 across great niches like hobby, DIY, survival, manifestation, and more. And if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe so we can deliver more top offer goodies just like this in 2025. Happy holidays, and of course, happy scaling.